Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compete TeePublic versus Teespring. TeePublic is a popular platform for buying and selling custom design apparel and accessories. It offers a vast array of designs created by independent artists. This diversity means you can find unique, high-quality artwork that stands out for mainstream options. Artists can upload their designs for free, and TeePublic handles production. Artists receive a commission from each sale with the potential for higher earnings if these designs become popular. TeePublic often runs sales and promotions, making it a good platform for finding bargains on custom apparel and accessories. Reviews generally indicate that the print quality and material used for products like t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases are high. TeePublic is a well regarded for extensive range of unique designs and ease of use for both buyers and sellers, though it may not offer as high profit margins for artists as other platforms. Teespring, now known as Spring, is a platform that allows creators to design, promote, and sell custom merchandise without upfront cost or inventory. It offers a wide variety of products, including apparel, home decor accessories, and digital products like ebooks. The platform offers various marketing tools, including promotional discounts and analytics, to help you track your sales and optimize your campaign. The process of creating products is straightforward. Users can upload their designs onto a wide range of products such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. The response time and effectiveness can vary, but many users find the support satisfactory. One of Teespring's strongest features is its integration with major platforms like YouTube and Instagram. If you prioritize artistic discovery and community, TeePublic may be better. If you're looking to build and sell branded merchandise, Teespring is likely the better choice. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.